I'm still following up on the annotation from the barangay complaints, but we have the CFA for now. This is what we have so far.
Concubinage yung gusto mong isang pang kaso laban sa asawa mong si Samson Guerrero at yung assistant niyo sa tindahan na si Ayla Ocampo, tama?
So based on the testimony of your neighbors who are also witnessing to Samson frequently visiting Ayla's apartment, were you starting to get suspicious at this point?
Alam ko po na pumupunta yung asawa ko sa kanila. Hinahatid niya po doon yung mga pastillas at mga candy na ipapak naman po ni Ayla para sa tindahan namin.
Okay, so kung yun ang excuse, pakiramdam mo ba na doon nagsimula yung kanilang affair na wala kang kaalam-alam?
Siguro po.
But the neighbor said that Ayla goes to your house and then goes home in the morning. You're worried about that too, di ba? And were those during those instances as well? So, what was Ayla doing at your house? Was she wrapping pastillas? Don't you think that she could have been doing something there all along?
Ano po ba yung pinapalabas niyo?
I'm sorry, I just want to know the facts, Felice. It seems like it's not the first time you learned about the affair when you caught them hugging and dancing romantically in Ayla's apartment.
Mahina pa bang proof ng concubinage na may ginagawa sila sa sarili kong bahay? Na pinag-uusapan na kami ng mga kapitbahay namin? Na may milagro silang ginagawa sa bahay ni Ayla?
Those could be grounds for concubinage, but it's not enough because you have to catch them in the act for the case to be undoubtedly and successfully prosecuted. Unless there's something else happening here, Felice.
Si Attorney Spanky po. Ito po yung photocopy ng detailed report ng barangay doon sa supposed conciliation nila.
Nabasa na ba ito ni Attorney Spanky?
Hindi yung detailed minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, go ahead. Thank you.
Sorry, nag-backtrack lang. Wait. Sabi rito na sinabi ni na Samson na kaya sila nagtatalik ay kinuha niyo daw siyang baby maker? At hindi mo raw confirm ito.
Eh ano naman magiging epekto niyan sa rinireklamo kong concubinage, kung totoo man yan?
Maraming epekto, Feliz! My God! Gagawin nilang dahilan to para hindi sila maging guilty of concubinage.
Kasama ba sa paggawa ng bata yung pagsasayaw? Yung paghahalikan? Wala sa usapan yun.
So it's true na ginawa niyo siyang baby maker.
Attorney, kailangan pa bang malaman yun? Eh ano ngayon? Ginamit pa rin nila yun para magromansa. Para lokohin ako. Attorney, matatalo ba ako pag ganun? Hindi na ba mapaparusahan yung panloloko nila sa akin? Lalo na at yung Attorney Lilet Matias yung abogado nila. Nabasa ko yung tungkol kay Attorney Matias. Magaling daw siya. Kapag ginamit niya ba na baby maker namin si Ayla, matatalo ba ako, Attorney?
Hindi. Hindi tayo pwedeng matalo. Alam ba ng mga kapitbahay niyo na baby maker niyo si Ayla?
Hindi. Kaming tatlo lang. Yung nasabi sa barangay.
May hard proof ba kayo na kinuha niyo si Ayla na baby maker? Bukod sa sinabi ni na Samson at Ayla sa barangay, meron ba kayong kontrata o kasulatan?
Did I miss anything?
Nothing, Attorney.